Hello, good people, and welcome to video one of our free YouTube course on an introduction to day trading crypto. So here it is. You want to learn how to day trade crypto because you don't want to miss out on all this money that is being made. Well, let's get to it. Here we go. So, first things first. You must understand what is crypto and what is day trading. Crypto is simply digital money that is on what is known as the blockchain. And the blockchain is simply a digital ledger, and this allows you to see all transactions taking place with these digital coins out there. At present, at the time of filming this video, there are more than 2,000 different cryptocurrency coins and tokens out there. Also, at present, there are over 600 exchanges out there where you can buy and sell cryptocurrency. So here it is. That's the first thing. That is what cryptocurrency is, simply digital money. Now, in terms of what is day trading, for you to understand what day trading is, it's very simple. It's simply the buying and the selling of a particular asset or thing. In this particular instance of this video, we're talking about day trading cryptocurrency. So for instance, in the case of cryptocurrency, you will have Bitcoin. So you'll just simply be buying and selling Bitcoin on one of the exchanges out there. Now, to understand day trading isn't something that just popped up with cryptocurrency. Day trading has been out from the formation of Wall Street. But what has happened is day trading has moved from just being on Wall Street to where you can now day trade in the comfort of your own home, or you can day trade from your cell phone, your laptop, your tablet, and you are able to make money wherever you are. So that is what has changed with day trading. And the thing about it too now is with day trading, you're not only just limited to day trading stocks, commodities, options, forex market, and crypto. So you have all of these different markets that you're able to make money in day trading. And that is one of the things that you should understand about day trading. Once you understand the fundamentals of trading, you don't have to worry about the asset, because the fundamentals of trading, especially things such as reading the day trading charts and things of that nature, you can apply those across the different markets and the different assets that you'll be trading. The next thing, in terms of the basics of cryptocurrency, like I said earlier, there are over 2 million cryptocurrency coins out there. But as a cryptocurrency day trader, when you first start out in day trading cryptocurrency, you want to start off basically using the top, say, 5 cryptocurrencies out there. And for me personally, I presently only day trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, and occasionally one or two of the other top 10 coins, because I want to keep my focus small and tight, and I want to be familiar with the swings that are going to take place within the market. Okay, so here it is at present. In terms of the present cryptocurrency market, if you're coming into the cryptocurrency market, you have to become familiar with how Bitcoin moves, because a large percentage of the cryptocurrency coins are tied to the movement of Bitcoin. And that's one of the reasons, to myself as a day trader, that is one of the reasons why I choose to day trade Bitcoin. Because here it is, you can be trading other coins such as Cardano and the XRPs and the Avalanche and the Phantoms and all of these top tier coins. But what you will notice as you become familiar with the cryptocurrency market, what you're going to notice is when Bitcoin has a huge spike up, it affects the market. When Bitcoin has a huge spike down, it affects the market and it affects all the other coins. So in essence, what you're going to notice very quickly as a day trader within the cryptocurrency space is you're going to notice that a lot of the coins are tied to the Bitcoin's movement. So pay attention to Bitcoin in particular. Now, in terms of setting the stage as a day trader, as you're starting out as a day trader, you should be aware that you don't want to put money into the market that you cannot afford to lose. And the more knowledge you get about day trading, it's going to help you in day trading. Now, here it is. You, as a person just coming into day trading for the first time, you must understand that yes, there's a lot of money to be made in day trading crypto, but in the same vein, you don't want to just jump into the market and not understand the fundamentals and the technicals of day trading, because what you will end up doing is you will end up losing a lot of money, and then you will say it is either a scam or something of that nature. But one of the things that you should be aware of is the educational process. And when I say the educational process, if you are thinking about making millions of dollars in a market, and here it is, there are traders out there right now who are daily making $1 million a day and things of that nature. So if you are an aspiring crypto millionaire day trader, you should equip yourself with the knowledge of the crypto market, the knowledge of day trading, and the knowledge of the overall financial markets as a whole, because you want to be aware of what nuances are happening in the macrocosm and the microcosm of finance and cryptocurrency and day trading as a whole. So nuances such as that. So don't put money into the market that you cannot afford to lose, and increase your education. You have to increase your education. I see persons when they're just learning to day trade, they don't want to paper trade. They just want to just jump into live cash because they have one or two indicators and they have a strategy that they think is going to work. But the reality is one whereby you as a trader, you want to educate yourself, and then once educating yourself with a strategy, you want to test that strategy and you want to back test that strategy so that you will be a consistent winner, a consistent money maker in the crypto day trading space. You don't want to approach this thing as a gambler. You see, the reality is if you approach it as a gambler, then you will end up losing money in the space. But if you approach it as a profession, and as in any other profession, whether it is the legal profession or the accounting profession, there is an educational period that you should take on. And for me personally, because I know the four stages of trading in terms of moving from being a beginner to being a consistently profitable trader, I realize that a major portion of that journey is the educational phase. So that is something that I consistently advise. And even as a consistently profitable trader, you're going to be learning things on a daily basis that is going to help you improve yourself as a trader. Now, the thing about it is, moving into the cryptocurrency market as a day trader, you want to become as knowledgeable about the market. You want to become knowledgeable about the players in the market. You want to become knowledgeable about who the movers and the shakers are in the market. For instance, the Michael Saylors and these type of guys. You want to know who affects the movement in terms of who is bringing in the most, buying the most Bitcoin, for instance. So, for instance, just the other day, we had all of those ETFs being approved. So you would see huge companies like BlackRock coming into the space and buying up a whole lot of crypto over the counter. So here it is, you want to become knowledgeable about the industry and finance, and you want to paper trade in the beginning until you see that your back testing has shown itself to be consistently profitable for you. So with that mindset, education, constant back testing, and using risk management, you will be able to be a consistently good trader. So this is the end of video number 1 in this free course for YouTube. And if you haven't done so already, please like and subscribe, because literally after this video we have 6 others following along the same vein. And not only that, if you are a crypto millionaire or an aspiring crypto millionaire, this is the channel for you. So if this just happened to show up on your timeline, I think you want to subscribe and stay tuned in, because we're going to be tearing apart the crypto market, and not just from the perspective of somebody who is hands off on crypto. My name is Doc. I am a day trader. I am in the market every week, every day. I am always up on what is happening with crypto. So if you want to stay on the cutting edge of what is happening with crypto, and you want to make money while in your hoodie and your pajama pants, tune into my channel. We are going to be sharing some real good stuff with you on the cryptocurrency market. And when I talk about good stuff, stuff that is going to consistently make you money in the market. And if it's not making you money in the market, we're not going to be talking about it. We're not going to be dealing with it. So if this is your sort of thing, if you are interested in hanging with the people that are talking about making money in crypto, well, like and subscribe. And until the next video in this free YouTube 7-part course, free course, until next time, be blessed, be safe, and be profitable. This is Doc saying until next time, make that money.